It is already bitterly cold outside, and you're looking for any way you can to stay warm in your homes. Space heaters are flying off shelves right now, but you need to remember just how dangerous they can be. Julia Atkinson and her family are looking at what's left of their memories. Atkinson lived in this home on Short Dawson Street in Clinton for 20 years until a fire early Monday morning changed things.
I had a bed in the front room here and a open space heater. And I think that bed, some blew it there near that space heater.
The family was asleep but made it out just in time. The space heater is blamed for this charred damage.
Heaters are a big danger in the wintertime. Heaters, they heat the house, but they also can catch things on fire. They had a gas heater, and if you get things too close to that heater, it can cause a fire.
That's not keeping folks from rushing to stores to buy those heaters with the plunging temperatures, and that's why you have to take extra precautions to avoid this.
Don't put it up next to a wall, and keep any type of coffee material away from the heater, because it could catch fire.
And don't forget, portable space heaters should be shut off if you leave the room and when you go to bed. Julia Atkinson says she does have insurance to start over.